Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom. It's an app that helps us connect with each other and video record. So it's on Clever, and if you scroll through, you might have to scroll all the way down. I favorited mine, and it just looks like this blue icon. When you click it, it should open up a new page. Okay, so we've opened up our Zoom profile page and we are going to join a meeting. And when we click join a meeting, we're going to copy and paste the link that I posted for you and join the class. This link might be different for yours. I just posted a random link. Okay, so you just copy and paste it, Control V, or you just do double click and paste, and then you click join, and it should work. You will all be muted during the meeting. And if you would like to raise your hand, I will show you how when we're in the meeting together. All right, good luck.